how welders find their niche. So I was asked, how do you find it? Like, how do you realize what you're good at or what you need to do to start your business or what you are passionate in? Normally, it takes um, practice, putting your time in a certain area or expertise of welding. If you TIG welded for a while or you did a combination of both with stick and MIG, um, working in fabrication shops, working in the field. And a lot of times we see needs, working, doing different projects, making different tools to help us do a project. And we come up with different things. And a lot of times we'll come up with ideas that we'll pass to the side. Oh, this is just something I came up with to help me do this. Not thinking that, man, if this helped me, who else can this help? You know what I mean? So a lot of times it's finding a need, solving a problem, providing a service or a product. But I think you find your niche by staying at it, and then it just hits you like because we know that we enjoy welding. So welding is a passion, it's a trade that we like doing, and I think our niche in the welding will be what we specialize in the most, or what we enjoy the most, or what we use to make money. However you want to look at it. Um, but I do think you have to put your time in. I think it takes like um, being repetitious at it, staying at it, working on it, and actually um, getting your hands dirty and thinking outside of the box, troubleshooting different projects because especially in the field, we face all type of problems. Sometimes things never come from the fabrication shop um, correct or it's built correct in where we're installing it. It's like did nobody come down and just, hey, how are we gonna get this in here? So sometimes it's always a troubleshooting situation. Um, so coming up with products or services once you find a need, it's a great way to find your niche in business. And as far as just being a welder, like I say, I think you just got to put your time in, keep practicing, keep working at it, and it's just gonna hit you. It's like a light gonna come on. You're gonna be like, this is my lane, you know. But I think you got to drive. It's just like walking. I think we got to find our own style. You know what I mean? It's like once you learn how to weld, we all know how to weld now. It's like a handwriting. Some of our handwriting may be perfect. Some of our handwriting may be a little sloppy. Some of our handwriting may just be legible. Some of our handwriting might be art. But everybody got a different style. Find your style. Hold on.